In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a trade in Vantage. Whether you use MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, the process is nearly identical, and by the end, you'll be confident opening and managing a position. First, launch your trading platform and log into your account. In the top menu, go to File and choose Login to Trade Account. Enter your account number, your password, and select the correct server provided by your broker. Double-check that the server matches your account type to avoid connection issues. You must be logged in before you can place any order. You'll know you're connected when you see prices updating in real time. Next, decide what you want to trade. On the left, the Market Watch window lists tradable instruments. You can pick popular Forex pairs like EUR/USD or GBP/USD, metals like XAUSD for gold, or indices such as US30 and NAS 100. If you don't see an instrument, right-click inside Market Watch and show all symbols. Take a moment to glance at the spread and current price action so you understand the cost and context of the trade. When you're ready, open the order window, the trade panel. You can get there quickly by pressing F9, clicking New Order on the top toolbar, or right-clicking your chosen instrument in Market Watch and selecting New Order. Any of these will bring up the same ticket. Now set your trade details. Choose your volume, also called lot size. A size of 0.01 is a small position and is a good way to control risk while you learn. Add a stop loss to define where you'll exit if the market moves against you, and a take profit to lock in gains at your target level. Pick the order type that fits your plan. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a pending order lets you set a trade to trigger later at a specified price. With everything set, place the trade. Click Buy if you expect price to rise, or Sell if you expect it to fall. For market orders, the position opens instantly and appears in your account. Finally, monitor the position in the Trade tab at the bottom of the platform. Here you'll see your open positions, entry price, stop loss, take profit, and current profit or loss updating in real time. Keep an eye on your risk and make adjustments in line with your plan. That's the full process from login to monitoring. Start small, stay disciplined with stops, and build consistency as you practice.